Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to write first basic Selenium program. To write first basic Selenium program, first of all, we have to create a package. Okay. So Orange HRM35 is my current project. So under this project, I'm going to create one package. So just I selected my package and right click and click on new and click on PyDev package. So here I'm creating a package name as day001 underscore lab1. Right. I created a package. Under this one, I want to write a first basic Selenium Python program. So I selected my package and I'm clicking on this package and I'm doing right click and I'm clicking on PyDev module. Okay. So I'm giving my first one as tc01 underscore login program. So just click on finish. Just click on cancel. So here I want to write my first basic Selenium lines of code. So let me open my existing program. So this is my day001 set of driver instructions program. So just I'm copying from the existing program some set of lines of code, Control C, and I'm pasting here. Okay. So in every Selenium program, these are the 4 lines we will write. Okay. Now let's discuss what are these 4 lines. So the first line is from Selenium import WebDriver. So this is the predefined package we have to import. Okay. So it contains a related WebDriver set of commands. So we have to import from Selenium, import WebDriver, we have to import. This will be called as a library package. And for this WebDriver class, we have to create an object. Okay, driver is equal to WebDriver.chrome of and ChromeDriver.exe. Okay, in my system, this ChromeDriver.exe is located under this path. Go to C drive and Python Chrome driver bin32. This is the Chrome driver.exe is located under my system in this path. Okay, we already discussed in the first class this Chrome driver.exe is the mediator between our Selenium program and the browser. So you will write set of driver instructions in the Selenium program. So when this line number 2 will execute, your Chrome driver.exe will invoke your Chrome browser and your Chrome browser window will be launched automatically. After that, driver.maximize window, your window will be Chrome browser window will be maximized. After that, driver.get test URL. So whatever application URL you will give, that application URL will be launched automatically. Okay. So that's it on the first basic Selenium program. Let's run this program and we will see. So just click on run button and you will select Python run and you can click on OK. So Chrome browser window is maximized and application URL also launched automatically. Okay. So when this line number 2 is executed, your Chrome browser window is launched. And after that, your window is maximized. After that, your application URL is launched automatically and this application URL is launched. So if you want to invoke google.co.in page, you can write google.co.in, and if you want to invoke facebook.com or amazon.in, just you can give the application URLs like this. Okay. Now for the same program, I want to write some more I want to write few more driver instructions. Okay. So which means after I navigating to this login page, I want to enter username, I want to enter password, and I want to click on login button. Okay. So how to write set of driver instructions in my program. So if you see this web application, okay, here you are seeing text field. This is a text field. This is a login button. This is an hyperlink. So in Selenium, every web element, every elements will be called as a web elements. So this is one web element. This is one web element. And this login button is one web element. Forgot password is a one web element. So I will call it as a web element. For each web element, developer developer will give some ID and name. Okay. Now let's check what is the ID and name has been given for this particular username field. Okay, just right click and click on inspect. By default, body is selected. If it is body selected, you can try one more time. Just right click and click on inspect. See here, this particular line is selected. Okay, here we are able to see ID is equal to txt username, name is equal to txt username. So developer has given ID as txt username. Just I'm taking copy of this line and I'm pasting here. And coming to this password, just I'm right clicking and clicking on inspect. ID is equal to txt password and name is equal to txt password has been given. After that, login button, right click and click on inspect. ID is equal to button login, name is equal to submit. Okay. So it's not like that developer will always give ID and name same value. He can give whatever name and whatever ID he wants. So I have taken ID of each web element. Now I want to write few more set of driver instructions. Just I'm taking copy of one line how to write set of driver instruction from previous program. Control C, and I want to write enter username, enter password, and enter click on login button. So I copied this set of driver instructions three times. So here Control X, this one Control X, and Control X, and Control V. Right. So here my driver finds the element by ID as txt username, and on the text field I want to perform. I want to type a value as admin. Then I have to write operation as send keys. So generally on any of the web elements, either you will type or something, or you will click on the you will perform click operation on any of the web elements. So driver is finding an element by ID as txt username, and it is clicking on send keys, and send keys operation is performing, and username will be typed as admin. And for password, for this application, password is admin123, and login button. So we have to write click operation. So I have written click operation. Now let's run the same program and we will see. So your window is open, launched automatically. After that, it's maximized. Application URL is invoked, and username, password, and login button is clicked. So we have written set of driver instructions up to here. Now for the same program, we'll continue few more driver instructions. So I want to automate admin. After that, I want to click on nationalities, and after that, I want to click on add button, and I want to enter Indian 899. Okay, and I want to click on save. So I want to create one nationality record. So let's see how to write set of driver instructions to create a nationality record. Okay, so just I'm clicking on inspect. So ID has been given as menu admin view module. Control C, Control V. And after that, I want to click on nationalities. Just right click and click on nationalities. ID has been given as menu admin nationality. After that, I want to click on add button. Just right click and click on inspect. ID given as button add. Right. After clicking on add button, I navigated to this text field. Just I right click and click on inspect. ID is equal to nationality name. So this is a text field. So we have to write send keys. So nationality name is a send keys. And after that, I want to click on save. So ID has been given as button save, which means I need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to write 5 lines of set of driver instructions. Just I'm taking one line of code for reference. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So first one I want to click on admin, Control X and Control V. And after that I want to click on nationality. I have pasted Control X and Control V. I want to click on add button. After that I want to enter nationality name. Nationality name is a send keys operation. I'm writing send keys. So here I will write Indian 901. Okay. After that I want to click on save button. I have written save button. Just click on save. So I have automated add nationality functionality in this RNG application. Now let's run this program. So your window is launched and it will be maximized. Application URL is launched and username and password and login button clicked. After that, it will click on admin, nationalities, add button, and click done, successfully saved. Okay, so which means all your set of driver instructions are successfully executed. So the best practice is you can write some confirmation message your test is passed or not. So you can write like this, and let's re-execute the same program, and I'm changing my input data. So this time Indian 902 record will be created. Let's save the program and rerun the program again. So Indian 902 record will be created. So like this, the program is created like that. Nationality record as India 902 created successfully. And we are able to see in the console the execution progress successfully passed. That's it on the first basic Selenium program. So the summary point is, so here your Chrome driver.exe, okay, system is understanding when line number two, when this line number two is executing, system is understanding where is your Chrome driver.exe is located in your system. Okay, so in my system, this is a Chrome driver.exe is located. So this will be called as a web driver. So this is the web driver is the mediator between our Selenium program and the browser. Okay, so this Chrome driver.exe will pass each and every instruction to browser. Okay, that's why this Chrome driver.exe will be called as a mm, mediator or interface between our Selenium program and the browser. Okay, so if you see this diagram also, you can easily understand. See, I imported my WebDriver, and driver is equal to WebDriver.chrome of Chrome driver.exe. So which means your when the first line is executing driver is equal to WebDriver. So your Chrome driver is invoking your Chrome browser wherever it is located in your system automatically. After that, set of commands or whatever set of driver commands you have written, those are performing by your Chrome driver.exe on the Chrome browser. Okay. And if you want to if you want to create an object as driver, you can create it. And if you want to give some different name also, you can give it, but you have to follow the same name. So here I'm changing my driver name as browser. So I can write like this as well, right? Just click on save. So instead of writing driver, you can also write as browser. So you can create object name whatever you want. So here my object name is browser. So you can give whatever name, but the same name you need to follow in all the rest of in all the remaining lines of code also. Okay, so let me rerun one more time and we will see this program. I'm clicking and save. So this time Indian 903 record will be created. So it's created Indian 903. Okay, if you want to check, just Control F and click on Indian 903. See, this records has been created successfully. Okay, that's it on the first basic Selenium program. We'll catch you in the next video. Thank you guys.